year 2026, month of February. This is a Cobol video going over the now defunct Kanji keyword. Shout out to the whole plumbing crew, including Hector. Alright, so let's take a look at what we have here. List this. We have the kanji.cob source code file and the executable. So let's take a look at the Cobol source file. This was kind of a quick and dirty experiment, so I did source format free. I don't need to worry about the spaces and the 5 areas. All right. Source format free, identification division, program ID kanji, environment division is empty, data division only has the working storage section. This is a single digit number that has a special keyword here, comp x. That just means I'm going to use a Boolean comparison operator. You'll see that later. So this is just a 0, this is a 1, this is a 0. Okay, now this is a special one. Here's the variable name. It is 50 alphanumeric characters, but really what it is, even though this is only like 12 characters, because it's from an international code set, it's like what they call double byte character set. So I made sure that when I'm using pick X, I can give it this stuff here. So these are international symbols. This is Japanese. If you don't understand Japanese writing, there's kanji right here supported, and then katakana, and then hiragana is all supported. They had to do that pretty early on in Cobol's history for the the Japanese international automotive industry. This sentence says the Tokyo hair dryer is white. All right, and I have that same string here. Pick in is it's still supported, but it's just not really used anymore for modern COBOL refactoring, and that's what you had to use before you had just kind of Unicode used everywhere. Before the Unicode standard was built into COBOL, you had to do something like this. You had to say use the pick in variable type, and you had to put kanji like right at the end to declare that it was kanji. But this keyword here, kanji, you might see that in older proprietary forms of COBOL used by IBM, I think Fujitsu, the other kind of Japanese companies. But you don't need it's not supported in GNU COBOL, and you don't really need it anymore. So if you do see it, that means you're working with a proprietary form of COBOL, and you should look it up in the IBM docs how to use it if you need to. Uh, but it's best to try and move them to modern COBOL if they insist on keeping the COBOL. Okay, so procedure division, we're just going to say hello. You're going to see here this is a Boolean OR. It's not double bar. They just had to give it a special name, B hyphen OR. So that's going to be 0 or 1. So, and that's what value 3 I have in a compute statement. So that's going to be changed to 1. And you're going to see that. So I think you're going to see 0, 1, 1, and you're going to see right here the full sentence from WS Kanji. And here you're going to see that it doesn't print out because I only gave it 10 bytes. I didn't give enough bytes for the full sentence. And we're going to take a look at what that actually looks like here. We'll just quit. We'll do okay, so quit. Okay, so let's run the executable. And there you see it's kind of incompleted, but yeah, 0, 1, and 1 after the greeting, the full sentence, and then incomplete sentence because I didn't give it enough characters. All right, so that's this video that went over briefly the kanji proprietary keyword you may see that is not supported in standard COBOL and anymore, and not using GNU Cobol. Thank you. Please donate at the coffee page.